Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In this lesson, we're going to be discussing a few things, and let's go through them one by one. In this lesson, we learn first of all هذه, which is the feminine of هذا. It is pronounced هذه, but the alif is omitted in writing. So if you can see here, that alif is not there. Sometimes a standing fatha is put there to denote the alif. The example is هذا ولد وهذه بنت. This is a boy, this is a girl. So when pointing to a masculine thing, a masculine person or a thing, you would use hada. When pointing to a feminine thing, you would use hadihi. The general rule about nouns and adjectives, it is that they are made feminine by adding a ta at the end. This ta is called ta marbuta. The last letter before this ta takes a fatha. For example, mudarrisun. This is a masculine male teacher. You want to turn it feminine, you put a ta at the end of it and then fatha in the letter before it. This is the case in maybe 95% of all nouns and adjectives. However, certain nouns have a separate form for the feminine. For example, ibnun, bintun. So ibnun is not, you don't say ibnatun for the masculine, for the feminine, rather you say bintun. And you will actually come across sometimes you may come across actually ibnatun also, but more often than not it's ibnun. The feminine is bintun. Akhun, ukhtun. All nouns in Arabic are either masculine or feminine. Feminine nouns and adjectives usually have the ta ending, but there are certain words which do not have this ending, and they are known as mu'annath sima'i. Mu'annath sima'i, like shamsun, ardun, narun, etc. These are all feminine but do not have the ta at the end of them. They are known as mu'annath sima'i. Students, when learning a new noun, must learn its gender also. Double members of the body are usually feminine, while single members are masculine. For example, hand, yadun, rijlun, aynun, udhunun, all of these, because they are dual, double on the body, they are feminine. As for the singular things, like ra'sun, anfun, famun, wajhun, these are all masculine because they are single. Li is a preposition meaning belongs to or for. This belongs to Bilal and that belongs to Hamid. Would be هذا لبلال وذلك لحامد. So this lam is a harful jar, it's a preposition, and the same here. This belongs to Bilal and that belongs to Hamid. هذا لبلال وذلك لحامد. And as we've already learned, the huruful jar, they give a kasra to the noun that follows it. So we see that in Bilalin and Hamidin. Alhamdu lillahi. Now you know why that Allah has a kasra here in Alhamdu lillahi, because of the fact that it is preceded by a lam harful jar. Note that the word Allahu becomes lillahi by just dropping the alif. No lam needs to be added to the word. So this is a specific rule for the word Allah, that if you want to turn it into lillah, you basically just remove the alif and give the first lam a kasra, becomes lillahi. Liman means whose or belonging to whom. For example, liman hada, whose is this, whom does this belong to? Limanil kitab, whose is this book? Note that man becomes mani when followed by al. Like in this case, liman is the actual word, but because there's a lam there, sakin, it became limanil. Aydan means also. هذا جميل وذلك أيضا جميل. This is beautiful. That is also beautiful. هذا كبير جدا. جدا means very. For example, this is very big. هذا كبير جدا. Vocabulary. المكواة iron for ironing. البقرة cow. الدراجة bicycle. الملعقة spoon. الفلاح farmer. الأم mother. الأب father. الثلاجة fridge. الشاي tea. المغرب west the west. القهوة coffee. الأنف nose. الفم mouth. القدر cooking pot, which I mentioned earlier that it's feminine. الأذن ear. العين eye. اليد hand. الرجل leg. سريع fast. النافذة window. الشرق east.